The $100 investment that could change your life. Imagine someone offered you an investment that could completely change your future. Not $10,000, not $100,000, just $100. Sounds impossible, right? Most people think becoming wealthy starts with having a lot of money. But that's exactly why most people never become wealthy. Today, I'm going to show you why a single $100 investment could be the turning point in your life. And surprisingly, it has almost nothing to do with the stock market. Stay until the end, because I'll also show you exactly where I would put my first $100 if I had to start from zero today. Let's play a quick game. Imagine two people. The first person receives $1 million today, but has no financial education. They spend without thinking, buy expensive cars, luxury clothes, and impress everyone around them. The second person starts with only $100. They learn new skills, understand investing, improve every year, and continue growing. Now, here's the interesting question. Who do you think is more likely to be rich 10 years later? History has already answered this. Many lottery winners become broke within just a few years. At the same time, thousands of self-made millionaires started with almost nothing. Why? Because money follows knowledge, not the other way around. Here's the biggest lie society tells us. If only I had more money, I'd start investing. Wrong. The real problem isn't the amount of money. It's the lack of investing habits. If you can't invest $100 wisely, you probably won't invest $100,000 wisely either. Because investing isn't about dollars. It's about discipline. Now, imagine you invest that first $100, not because it will instantly make you rich, but because it changes your identity. You stop saying, I want to become an investor, and start saying, I am an investor. That small mindset shift changes everything. So where should your first $100 actually go? Most people expect me to say Bitcoin, or Tesla, or Nvidia, maybe even some secret stock that's going to explode. But honestly, those are my first choice. My first investment would be myself. Think about it. What gives a better return? A stock that might make you 10% this year, or a skill that increases your income by $10,000 every year for the rest of your life? Learning video editing, learning sales, learning AI, learning coding, learning marketing, learning how businesses actually make money. These skills can multiply your income forever. And once you earn more, you have even more money to invest. That's how wealth compounds. Now let's say you've already invested in yourself. What's next? Index funds. Why? Because instead of trying to guess which company will win, you own hundreds of companies at once. Companies come and go, but the world's biggest businesses continue growing over time. Historically, broad stock market index funds have rewarded patient investors over the long term. The key word is patient. Here's another lesson that completely changed how I think. Most people focus on returns. Successful investors focus on time. Imagine investing just $100 every month. It doesn't sound impressive. Many people spend that much on food delivery or subscriptions they barely use. But over decades, thanks to compound growth, that small habit can become tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars depending on returns and how long you stay invested. That's the power of consistency, not luck. Now let me ask you something. What was the last thing you spent $100 on? Can you even remember? Maybe new shoes, a weekend out, a phone upgrade. Now imagine if that same $100 had been invested instead. Not just once, but every single month. Small decisions create massive futures. Here's something successful people understand. Your first investment isn't about making money. It's about proving something to yourself, that you're capable of thinking differently than everyone else. While others consume, you invest. While others complain, you learn. While others wait, you start. If you're young, you have something more valuable than money: time. Someone who starts investing at 20 often has a huge advantage over someone who starts at 35, even if the older person invests more each month. Time is the greatest multiplier ever created, and unfortunately, it's the only asset you can never buy back. So here's the challenge. Within the next 7 days, invest your first $100. Not because it will make you rich overnight, but because it starts a completely different future. Maybe it's a course. Maybe it's books. Maybe it's an index fund. Maybe it's the equipment needed to start your own business. The exact investment matters less than building the habit. 1 year from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll be grateful that you did. The difference between successful people and everyone else usually isn't intelligence. It's action. They start before they feel ready. So remember this. The most valuable investment isn't the one that gives the highest return. It's the one that changes who you become. Because once your mindset changes, your income changes. your habits change, your future changes, and sometimes it all begins with just $100. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, subscribe because every week we'll break down money, investing, and financial freedom in a simple way that anyone can understand. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video.